Welcome back to my channel. I am sharing with you the copy-paste method to earn money online. Watch the video till the end because it is going to be a value-packed video and you're starting right now. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and start your online journey, consider hit that like button, click subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money-making opportunity. I will give you a YouTube copy and paste method that will get monetized and you can make money with it. Along with that, I will give you multiple methods of monetization through which you can make money. I am talking about is the daily dose of internet memes, funny videos, rich as you can see over here, 30 million, 27 million views. This channel is making a ton of money for free using this method. Don't worry, I will show you each and everything that you will get the videos from. How will you monitor is it? What are the different methods of monetization? I will show you each and everything and help you make money even with no skill. Just going to another example, daily doses off means if I just go to the most popular, you will see 3 million views, 2 million views, 1.6 million views. And if I take you to the social blade statistics of this channel, that is daily dose of internet, this channel is making anywhere from $30,000 to $430,000 per month. This figure will be anywhere in the middle. And if I just take you to the early estimations, they are making as much as up to almost $3 million just by using this free strategy. Just showing you with social beat statistics of daily dose of memes. This channel is a fairly small channel, but still it is making anywhere from $70,000 to $20,000 per month. As I said, this figure will be somewhere in the middle. This channel is making $60,000 per month for free using this method. Don't worry, I will literally hold your hand through each and every step. And I will tell you how you can also start making this money for free. Now jumping straight into the video, the first and foremost thing that will form the basis of your video. That will be where you can outsource all of these clips. From if I just click on any one of the videos of this channel, as you can see, this channel is monetized. This channel is using other people's content. But I will show you how this channel is monitors and how you can also be monetized using the same technique, taking you to another video. You will see that the description box of this channel is filled with the sources of these videos. This is the main trick, that is need to give the source from where you are taking that video. Now we need to create our own video so we can use this information. As you can see, this video is taken from TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. For you can do the same. You can just take inspiration from where this channel is taking their videos. So if you just want videos from YouTube, just click funny videos, search this, and a bunch of funny video will pop up that you can download. I will show you how you can download all of these videos. But you can use any of these videos. Just give the link of these videos in the description box. And you will be all set to get views and get monetized. If you want more content, just come to Instagram, search for funny videos. And all of these videos can be downloaded by you for your own videos. And other source will be Reddit. Just go to Reddit, type funny videos. And as you can see, all of these are potential videos for your own video that you can use. Now you can download all of these videos very easily. Just go to Google, search for YouTube video downloader, Twitter video downloader, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, any social media platform. Just search on Google for their video downloader. Just go back to any of these YouTube videos, click on this, just copy the URL and just paste it onto these video downloader. And your video will be downloaded very easily. You can combine 4, 5, 6 different videos from different platforms. And now the main thing that this channel is monitors and haven't got demonetized, haven't got banned, is because they use their own voice. You can use other people's videos, but if your voice is your own, this video become yours. And this becomes your content. Don't worry, you don't need any expensive equipment for recording your voice rather than the equipment. The more important thing is the environment, so basically your phone has a good enough mic. If you are able to find a quiet place and an echo-free place. Now you must be asking what you have to say. It is very simple, just give a running commentary. Like what is happening in the video. What are your reactions, a laugh here, last the crack of your jokes. And all of this, and we just done very easily to make that content your own. Now once you are downloaded all the videos, record your voice. Now all you have to do is just combine them together. You don't need any fancy editing software, any fancy skills, filters, transitions on animations. None of that. You can just download a free, very simple to use software for OpenShot. It is free, it is available for Windows, Mac, Linux. all the things, and it is super simple. All you will have to do is just take the videos, bunch them together, and just run your voice over it. And that is basically done. No fancy editing, no fancy animations. Just go to YouTube, look for a OpenShot tutorial, and you will learn each and everything within 10 minutes. And your first video can be ready just within 30 minutes of you applying this method. Should do take action, because now the fun part start. I am going to talk about how we can monetize your channel very easily and make tons and tons of money for free with you having no skill. So talking about the monetized issue possibility, I will show you 4 legend methods of making a good amount of money from your channel. The first of them being YouTube ads. This amount that you see over here for daily dose of memes is just the revenue from one source of income. That is Google ads or YouTube ads. If you want to run YouTube ads, you will need a minimum requirement. Everybody know this method. That is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch file. After that, you can apply for monetization, and then YouTube run ads on your videos. And you can make money as I showed you earlier on this channel. In spite of using other people's content is monetized, and you can do the same. If you just follow all the steps, then you can apply for it and fulfill all requirement for monetization. For a second steps, let's say you don't get monetized, I am going to show you even better method through which you can make money even from the day one. And that amount, it can be 2x 3x of what you can make from Google ads. Talking about the second method, that will be CPA marketing. If you don't know what CPA marketing is, it is basically cost for action. For this, all we have to do is just come to a website called Polyed. Here you can register for a publisher's account and can just find different offers that you can promote. So after you register for Polyed, just click over here on offers. And what will work best with our audience, just think that for a second, our audience is very general. Because anyone can look at a funny video, and what offer works best with a very general audience? That is gift cards. To just search over here gift cards, and as you can see, how is $100 Visa gift card, PayPal gift card $1,000. So all of this gift cards are a very big crowd. If you just give a link to this in the description box and just write then $1,000 Visa gift card for free, this offer will convert like hotcakes, and you will get plenty of email submit each and every minute, and you will see the price over here for each and every email submit for this particular offer. You will make a $1 to $2 for each email submit for free. Basically, you don't have to do anything. Your audience have to do anything. All you are doing is just giving them a free gift card. Every email submit, you will make money from this method. My easiest method for you to make money, just thrown down below, $1,000 PayPal gift card. Just click on this and this is your affiliate link. So just shared this in the description box of your videos and you will make money. With third method for you to make money will be selling your own merchandise. I am talking website one is Teesprings and Redbubble. Generally, people connect very deeply with a brand with a channel name. You can create your own t-shirts, hoodies, e-cups, different pencil pouches, bags. All of those things can be sold by you. And you don't have to take any headache. This website where you just have to upload your logo. You can create your own just like other does. You can just upload your logo or some memes, awesome funny comment for any of those things. And this website will automatically create hoodies, t-shirts, all of those things. It will cosmetically create your website. All you have to do is just promote your website link in the description box of your videos. When someone will click on that link, they will be redirected to your online store. And if someone purchase of anything, Teesprings and Redbubble will have the headache for producing that. They collecting the payment, all of that. And you will get 20 to 30% commission for each and every sale. Fourth method of earning money will be other social media platforms. As we can see, this is the email profile for Daily Dose of Internet. It has almost 330,000 followers. And if I just tell you with my experience, this Instagram page can charge anywhere from $100 to $200 for each and every single advertisement that people want to put up. I am sure you must have heard about Instagram. Shout out Instagram, influencer marketing Instagram. This is basically a theme page. If anyone wants to promote anything, any product, link, ebook, or any of those things for 24 hours. This page can charge anywhere from $100 to $200 just for a 24-hour shout-out. So your reach don't we just limited to YouTube or just a single platform. You can just redirect your audience on your Instagram page, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, all of the social media platforms, and give you a lot of revenue. Individually as well, and all you have to do is just be a bit active on all of these platforms. Whatever we do, you upload it on YouTube, the stream, that a bit, just crop that a bit and just upload it onto Instagram as well, TikTok as well, and all the other social media platforms so that you can monetize those pages as well and make a side income that will be very, very good. So if you are looking to make money on YouTube with no skill, this is one of the best method. If you like this method of making money online and want to learn another free copy and paste money making opportunity, you can check my video for free that help you to make money online. I uploaded my video for free and sharing with you easy techniques. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in next video.